The Checker is your inspection solutions provider. Inspect today and prevent an accident tomorrow. Inspection checklist books. Use the Checker for performing daily circle check inspections. Used and trusted in all industries across North America since 2000. Improves safety, compliance, and saves money on maintenance. Checklist layout and design saves personnel time and your company money. Helps you better manage your equipment, machines, vehicles, and other assets. Increases communication and provides detailed, accurate inspections. Enables you to report, document, and archive inspections. The checklist design is easy to follow, quick to fill out, and gives accurate inspection results. Each checklist is asset-specific. First, perform a visual circle check inspection. Take out the book and circle the defect if anything is wrong and make a brief comment. If all is okay, check that section. Sections are laid out in proper sequence that you perform the inspection. The detail is a reminder also of what to inspect. Each book has 150 inspections with a carbonless copy. Easy, simple, quick, convenient. Saves time, saves money, saves lives. The Checker is your inspection solutions provider. Inspect today and prevent an accident tomorrow. Visit thechecker.net to order and for more information on our complete line of inspection solutions. www.thechecker.net.